Is your living room feeling a bit too bland and lacking in character? You're not alone. The good news? You don't need a complete makeover to bring your space to life. In this video, we'll explore several easy and affordable ways to instantly add character to your living room. From clever accents to smart styling tricks, we've got you covered with diverse solutions to transform your space effortlessly. Excited to transform your living room? Subscribe now for more quick and easy style tips that make a big impact. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the most straightforward and impactful ways to instantly refresh your living room: accessories. Accessories are like the final brush strokes on a canvas. They bring life and personality to your space. Imagine your sofa adorned with a collection of vibrant, textured cushions. Each cushion can feature a different pattern, from bold geometric designs to delicate florals, creating a visually dynamic ensemble. A cozy throw blanket, perhaps in a contrasting or complementary color, drapes effortlessly over the armrest, adding both warmth and an extra layer of style. Accessories not only enhance the visual appeal of your room, but also invite comfort. The textures and colors you choose can dramatically alter the room's atmosphere. Opt for cushions with varying fabrics, soft velvets, crisp linens, and chunky knits, to create a tactile experience that's as pleasant to touch as it is to look at. Throws in rich, warm colors or soft pastels can set the mood, making your living room feel more inviting and cozy. By refreshing your accessories, you introduce new elements into your space without the need for major renovations. This simple update can completely transform the look and feel of your living area, creating a space that feels both stylish and welcoming. Next, let's explore how a creative use of color can dramatically alter the mood of your living room. Picture an accent wall painted in a bold, rich color such as deep navy blue, emerald green, or even a sophisticated charcoal gray. This single wall acts as a focal point, drawing the eye and adding depth to the room. The contrast between this wall and the rest of the room's neutral palette can make your space feel more dynamic and layered. Color can also influence emotions and perceptions. A calming light blue or sage green can evoke a serene and peaceful environment, while a vibrant orange or mustard yellow can energize and invigorate. Consider how the color you choose will interact with the light in your room, as natural and artificial lighting can alter the appearance of hues throughout the day. By incorporating color in a thoughtful and strategic way, you create a room that feels vibrant, cohesive, and perfectly suited to your tastes. A splash of color can serve as an instant mood enhancer, transforming your living area into a space that reflects your personality and elevates your daily experience. Introducing plants into your living room can bring a refreshing and invigorating change. Envision a variety of indoor plants arranged throughout the room. Perhaps a tall, leafy fiddle leaf fig in one corner, cascading vines of pothos or ivy hanging from wall-mounted planters, and a few smaller potted succulents on shelves or side tables. The lush greenery not only adds visual interest, but also enhances the room's atmosphere by creating a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. Plants contribute to a healthier indoor environment by improving air quality and adding a natural element that soothes and rejuvenates. When choosing plants, consider their light requirements and how they fit into your room's layout. Incorporating plants of different heights and textures can create a layered, dynamic look. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or just starting, integrating greenery into your space can be a simple yet effective way to add vibrancy and serenity. By caring for these plants, you bring a living element into your decor that evolves and grows, making your living room feel more lively and inviting. Adding DIY art and personal touches to your living room is a wonderful way to infuse character and make the space uniquely yours. Imagine creating a gallery wall filled with a mix of framed family photos, travel souvenirs, and original artwork. Each piece tells a story and adds a layer of depth and meaning to your decor. Personal art projects, like a hand-painted canvas or a custom photo collage, can become focal points that make your space feel more personal and engaging. The process of creating or selecting these personal elements allows you to showcase your creativity and interests, transforming your living room into a reflection of your personality. By including items that have personal significance, you make your space not only more interesting, but also more emotionally resonant. These personal touches make the room feel lived in and special, creating a welcoming environment that invites connection and conversation. Whether you're adding a DIY art piece or displaying cherished memories, these elements turn your living room into a canvas for your life's story. Upgrading your textiles is an excellent way to add texture and character to your living room. Visualize a beautifully patterned area rug anchoring your seating area, its intricate design adding warmth and sophistication underfoot. Layer this with sumptuous curtains that cascade to the floor, and a mix of throws and cushions in varied fabrics and colors. Textiles can define the room's style and contribute to its comfort and ambiance. Textiles also offer an opportunity to play with color and texture in a way that's both visually appealing and tactilely satisfying. Consider adding a plush, high-pile rug for a cozy feel, or opt for sleek, modern fabrics to give the room a contemporary edge. The layering of different textiles, such as a soft velvet cushion paired with a chunky knit throw, creates a rich, multi-dimensional look that enhances the overall atmosphere of the room. By investing in a few key textile upgrades, you can easily and affordably transform your living area into a stylish, comfortable retreat. Introducing statement furniture pieces can dramatically elevate the style of your living room. Imagine a bold, eye-catching armchair in a vibrant color, or a uniquely designed coffee table that becomes a conversation starter. These standout items can serve as focal points, drawing attention and adding character to the space. When selecting statement furniture, look for pieces that reflect your personal style while complementing your existing decor. A well-chosen statement piece can add a touch of luxury and sophistication, transforming your living room into a stylish and memorable space. Consider how these items interact with the rest of your furniture and decor, ensuring they enhance rather than overwhelm the room. By incorporating one or two distinctive pieces, you create a living room that feels elegant and uniquely tailored to your taste. Finally, incorporating vintage elements can add a timeless charm to your living room. Imagine blending classic vintage pieces, such as an elegant antique mirror or a beautifully crafted mid-century lamp, with your modern decor. These vintage touches introduce a sense of history and sophistication, creating a unique contrast that adds depth and character to the space. Vintage items often possess a distinctive quality and craftsmanship that contemporary pieces may lack, offering a sense of nostalgia and elegance. The key is to balance these vintage elements with modern furnishings to achieve a harmonious blend of styles. By incorporating vintage touches, you enrich your living room with layers of texture and history, creating a space that feels both stylish and warm. This approach allows you to infuse your decor with personality and depth, making your living room a true reflection of your taste and style. Now, let's explore some inspiring living rooms that embody the essence of the ideas we've discussed. Observe how these spaces are brought to life with character and personality through various elements. Notice how the integration of bold color accents, layered textiles, and personalized decor creates a cohesive and vibrant atmosphere. These rooms showcase the power of simple yet effective transformations, blending the ideas we've covered into stunning, engaging spaces. Let these examples spark your creativity and motivate you to infuse your own living room with character and charm. Transforming your living room into a space brimming with character doesn't have to be complicated or costly. With just a few creative touches, you can create a room that truly reflects your style and personality. Which of these ideas resonated most with you? Have you tried any of these transformations in your own space? We'd love to hear about your experiences and see how you've added character to your living room. Drop your thoughts and any questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on making your home uniquely yours, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Your support helps us keep bringing you fresh and inspiring content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.